In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Roblox account. Whether you've decided to take a break from gaming, manage your online presence differently, or have other reasons, we're here to guide you step by step through the process. It's straightforward once you know where to go and what to do, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a desktop or mobile browser and head over to the Roblox Support page. You can find it at the URL roblox.com/support. This will lead you to the form you need to complete to request account deactivation. Once there, you'll see fields that need your attention. Begin by entering your full name, where it prompts for your name. Ensure that this matches the name you originally registered with, as accuracy here can ease the process. Next, you'll need to provide your email address. Be sure to use the one associated with your Roblox account so that the support team can align your request with the correct account. Now fill in your Roblox username. This is crucial, as it uniquely identifies your account among millions of others. For the issue details section, you'll choose a help category, select either billing and payments or account. Both are acceptable choices for this purpose. Following this, choose delete account in the subcategory to specify your request clearly. In the description box provided, you'll want to draft a message to Roblox Support. Here's an example you might consider using. Hello Roblox Support. I would like to permanently delete or deactivate my Roblox account associated with this email and username. Please confirm once the process is complete. Thank you. After composing your message, all that's left on your side is to hit submit. This sends your deactivation request directly to Roblox Support for processing. Once your request is submitted, you'll need a little patience. Roblox Support typically responds within 3 to 5 business days. During this period, keep an eye on the email connected to your Roblox account. The support team may reach out to confirm your identity to ensure security and protect your account from unauthorized deactivation. This could involve verifying details such as your email, any recent purchases you've made, or other specific account information. And there you have it. Your request is now in the hands of Roblox Support. Should they need any further details or confirm the deactivation, they will contact you via email. And remember, once this process is confirmed, you'll have successfully deactivated your Roblox account. We hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. Stay tuned for more how-to videos, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.